What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, back again with JJ. We got a scene straight from Fist of Fury, Bruce Lee's famous film, also known as the Chinese Connection here in the West. But we got this cool, really super fast sequence that he does here with some hand trapping, and we're gonna break it down for you guys real quick. So you saw that from the sequence. It's very, very fast. As you know, Bruce Lee has superhuman speed, so we're gonna break this down for you step by step, really slowly. So he first starts the sequence. You'll notice that in a lot of his fight scenes, one of my favorite things about him is that he goes high, low, high, low. He sectors the body and confuses the opponent with different attacks to the high line, to the low line, and back and forth. So this one is a great example of that. So the first attack, he comes with a roundhouse kick straight to the head. The bad guy here is going to just block with his left hand, take the kick. So from this position, he just went high. Now he's going to go low with a punch and bait the bad guy to block low. He doesn't make any contact, and then he comes over the top with his left hand to a back fist. Now this back fist is again baiting his other hand to come out and try to parry that across. So what Bruce does here is he baits him across, he doesn't make any contact here. Initially, that would be the block right there. But in the movie, he baits him, doesn't make any contact, and then comes underneath and wraps that arm, grabbing the wrist, and this is where the initial back fist, bang, comes straight to the face. From here, it's hard to see at the angle, but it looks like he traps this down and goes for 3 chops. One to the neck or the chest, again to the neck or the chest, and again right there. Again, the angle doesn't show if he's punching or hitting with chops or going with forehand chops. But it looks like they're backhand chops, either to the chest or maybe even palm strikes to the throat. So after those 3 palm strikes, he goes to 3 different punches as the bad guy starts to block everything and he's all confused. After he hits those 3 body shots, then what he does is he pushes him to get him back to kicking range, and this is where he gives him that nice roundhouse kick to the face. Bang! Finishing off this quick sequence. Alright, so there you have it for this fight scene breakdown. Again, straight from Fist of Fury. We got that hand trapping going on. Really cool stuff. Bruce really knows how to confuse those opponents. So if you like this video, be sure to leave that thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that little notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And as always, game on, stay fit, and keep on training. I'll see you guys in the next fight scene breakdown. What is Bruce Lee's favorite drink?